Would you like to create videos like this and earn thousands of dollars? Did you know this channel earns $28,000 per year? I've replicated the exact content. Follow me for more details. Now, with the help of ChatGPT, we will generate the script and prompts for the videos. Follow exactly what I do. Next, we will visit CapCut.com to generate text-to-audio content at no cost. Now, we will use the motion image prompt we got from ChatGPT to create motion videos. Follow along step by step. And now we will arrange all the materials to edit our video in CapCut. After arranging everything, we will now cut the silent parts of the audio. If we don't, the video won't align with the clips, and viewers may get irritated. Now we'll work on the effects. Since this video is about horror stories, we'll add some effects to make it feel more real. We'll clear background noise, add transitions, and maybe include creepy sounds or light flickers to match the scary vibe. Now we've reached the final step, adding captions. Once that's done, we can watch the final video. The first knock came at 3:13 a.m., soft, hesitant. Eli sat up, heart racing, knowing his cabin was deep in the woods, miles from the nearest soul. He ignored it, chalking it up to a branch, until a second knock came, firmer, deliberate. Peering, through the window he saw no one, only thick fog swirling unnaturally around the porch. By the fourth knock, something whispered his name. Not a voice from outside, but behind him. Eli turned, trembling. Nothing. The knocking stopped, replaced by slow, dragging footsteps circling the cabin. He locked every door and window except one, the attic hatch, which creaked open as the air grew cold. He climbed the ladder, flashlight trembling in his grip. Dust danced in the beam. In the far corner, a figure crouched backward, limbs contorted, its face hidden. It giggled in a child's voice. "You took my room!" Eli screamed. The light flickered, the hatch slammed shut, and no one ever left the cabin again.